Hi learners, welcome to our another new lesson. Hope you all are doing very well and practicing your lesson regularly. So, today we are going to learn the number names from 81 to 90. Please do subscribe my channel, visit my videos, like them and share them with others. Now, here we go. 81 E I G H T Y 80 O N E 81 82 E I G H T Y 80 T W O 82 83 E I G H T Y 80 T H R E 383 84 E I G H T Y 80 F O U R 484 85 E I G H T Y 80 F I V E 585 86 E I G H T Y 80 S I X 686 87 E I G H T Y 80 S E V E N 787 88 E I G H T Y 80 E I G H T 88 89 E I G H T Y 80 N I N E 89 90 90 N I N